Hi everybody, this is part 2 of the video that I just posted, and I just wanted to give Laura some ideas about salad dressings that I use. So the lemon juice serves as a dressing, but you can supplement with something like this healthy choice, creamy Italian, and look at the calories. 30 calories, only 1.5 grams of fat, 4 grams of carbs, excuse me, and 3 of those carbs are fiber. Okay, so this is going to help fill you up. All right, so maybe add, 30 milliliters of this to your salad. You can also do this Wishbone fat-free Italian, which is probably easier for you to find at the grocery store than that other one. And look at the calories on this, 15 calories. This is amazing, okay? No fat, and then 3 grams of carbs, okay? So, yeah, these are the dressings that you want to use. Low-calorie dressings, 30 calories, 15 to 30 calories, no more than 30 calories per serving. Maybe 40 or 50, but that's pushing it. But yeah, you want to make sure that you're not overdoing it with a salad dressing because that's just added calories. All right, hope this helps. Take care. Bye now.